what if I told you you can actually make money online by reading news out loud? So if that is what you're interested in, stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So by the way, this video is going to be a very step-by-step tutorial, move by move. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, and this is actually 100% free method. Okay, so there's no upfront capital needed, and this is also beginner friendly, and regardless of whatever level that you are currently in, as long as you can read and you can edit some your videos, which is I'm going to reveal to you what is the free software that could actually help you to edit your video as well, you are good to go. You can literally make money. And I also going to reveal to you the channel that we are going to model in order to make money online. Okay, so if you just came across to this video, welcome to my channel. And in this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online marketing, affiliate marketing, and etc. So if that is what you are interested in, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, because it does help my algorithm to reach more people out there. Okay, so how to make money reading news and make money online. So I want to draw your attention to this particular page over here, right? So take a look at this page. This is actually the page that we are going to model. So we're going to take a look at when was actually this video started. Sort by, we're going to take a look at the oldest video. Okay, so this channel just uploaded their first video on somewhere 9 months ago, right? And yet this channel has been getting 200, almost 300,000 subscribers, guys, and each and every one of the video has gotten 300, 100, 1000. This one is very old videos, right? Take a look at the latest video. Approximately they are getting almost 2000, or sorry, 20,000 per video on average, right? Take a look at this one, 200,000, this one 16,000, 18,000. This one just uploaded 3 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 14 hours ago, right? So just take a look, and on average each and every one of the videos length is only 5 minutes. Okay, it's very easy to do, and everyone can do it. Trust me. Okay, just take a look one of the video here.
Canada has witnessed multiple embarrassments under the leadership of...
Okay, they have literally reading the news and just put some images. See, they're just going to put like slideshow, stuff like that.
Echoing the one example being Rihanna. In line with this truth, it is often said that life comes full circle to some people.
That's the only thing that this video did, guys, right? Take a look at this one.
There has been yet another face-off between Japan and China. Emboldened by the Biden administration, China is open fire on foreign vessels, even in disputed waters.
Just slideshow.
Claims Japanese territorial waters.
Slideshow. And as simple as that, right?
That allows the
so I'm going to walk you through what is the software that you are going to do, and just take a look at the description. Even the description is not well optimized, but yet this video or this channel has gotten a lot of views already. Okay, now let's copy this channel name and put it on Social Blade. Okay, we're going to analyze how much money that this channel is actually making right now. Okay, on average, take a look at the monthly earning, 4,000 to 71,000, guys, per month, right? And the first video, like I told you, was uploaded only 9 months ago. Okay, so this is not actually the correct amount, but it is generating somewhere 50,000 to 60,000, I guess. Okay, so take a look at the weekly or the monthly subscribers that they have been getting, 38,000. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you how to actually, you can also doing the exact same thing like this channel did. Okay, so like you can tell, as you can tell, they just read the newspaper out loud, all right, the news out loud. So you can literally find a lot of trending news on Fox News. Okay, there are so many news on Al Jazeera, CNN, CNBC, and stuff like that. So it's just a matter of whatever, depends on you. Okay, but if you want to build this type of channel, You can also just remodel this channel back, because this channel focuses more to the politic. You can also do it doing the exact same things, but when you master this technique, you can literally do whatever news that you are interested in, regardless of whether it is on entertainment, about artists, about sport, or regardless of whatever. Okay, so now what you need to do next is just take a look at maybe this one over here. Okay, so this is actually the thing that you need to read. Okay, the reported administration. So just copy everything here, or you can actually just read it on the website. And then what you need to do next is you need to have a software to record that particular thing. So I am using the OBS Studio. Okay, this is actually the same software that I'm currently record my voice and my video. Okay, so you just need to go to OBS and download the software, which is this one, and then go to the news that you want to read, and then just simply read it out loud. Okay, so next, once you have it done, what you need to do is you need to have another software, which is shortcut over here, right? So click the software. So this is the software. So go to the playlist, and then you can upload one, for example this one over here. Just drag it down, and then so this would be the video that you are going to edit. And then what you're going to do next is add the video track, drag the video out. Okay, and then drag it here. And then what you need to do next is add another video track. So this one is for the slideshow. Okay, so I'm going to head off to Google and try to look some pictures. For example, Donald Trump. So I'm going to download this one, save as. So I'm going to put it on the desktop. Just take a look at this one. I'm going to save as, put on the desktop, right? So I'm going to head off to the software, and now I'm going to go to open file, go to my desktop, and take a look at those pictures. This one, and another one is this one. Okay, so click open. So I'm going to click this one and drag it over here. And then I'm going to take another one and drag it over here. Okay, so this would be your audio record, right? And then you're going to play, but this one is not actually related to this one, so I'm not going to play it out. Okay, so what you need to do is going to mute it, and then what you need to do is go here, click on the particular page, and go to filter, click the plus sign. Under video, you can choose type in size and position. Okay, go to keyframe, and then you need to animate this particular particular picture, right? So click start animate, and then go to the at the end of the picture, and then you can adjust the size slightly bigger, and then it's going to help you to animate the picture. Okay, so let's take a look how it looks like when you play. See, so, and then what you need to do next is you need to keep on animate the picture until at the end of your voice over. Okay, so actually that is how everything works. By the way, this software is a free software, so it is a slightly tricky to use, but it's still worth it of your time. But you know, you just need like a couple of minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes, in order to get it done. And then once you're done, go to export and simply click export and export to your folder, and then you can upload it on your YouTube channel. So as simple as that, guys. So that is how this channel is actually making money right now. And if you have any software like Windows Movie Maker or iMovie, you can also doing that as well. Okay, so I just give you some option for those of you who don't have any Windows Movie Maker or iMovie. You can actually utilizing this software. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And you need to keep on doing reading the news in order to make money. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this content, and I hope you get some value throughout my sharing. And don't forget to subscribe to my video, my channel, and give this video a thumbs up as well. All right, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.